A leader to me is someone who is passionate about something they strongly believe in. Gwen is a smart, funny, and very energetic student. She was a player on the senior girls basketball team. She played a very active role on the leadership team, and she also was very passionate in the role that she served with the environmental club. She's one of the first students to volunteer when we ask for something to be done. Gwen many times has talked passionately about her involvement with supporting the Margaret Crisis Center. She has organized many various fundraisers to support people in need.
To define a leader, I think, is someone with consistency. They're the ones who do their activities without any prompt without anyone else, and they just do it because they wanted to. They're the ones who take up the responsibility with their intentions to always follow through no matter what and without needing any recognition whatsoever. I try my best to help out regardless of how hard or how simple the task is. As long as it means I'm helping somebody, I'm satisfied. I think it's super important to give back to the community because there's a relationship between the community and the individual. As individuals, we are essentially protected and cared for by the community. It binds us together. In 10 to 15 years, I hope to see healthcare for those who don't have it and for better healthcare for those who have. There shouldn't be any reason for people in our day and age to not receive the best healthcare possible, whether it be by providing it directly or implementing policies to see it possible. I want to be able to get those people the healthcare that they deserve.
I'm very excited that Gwen got this award. It's an award for leaders of tomorrow, and I'm very confident that Gwen is going to continue helping people.